This tutorial is Adobe Premiere Pro CC export video for YouTube online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step in exporting a video for YouTube in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, click and drag and select your video and drag it onto the Adobe Premiere Pro CC timeline, and then create a cut and delete what you don't want. Backspace, add an out point, Control plus O, and then an in point, Control plus I. And then on your keyboard, click Control plus M, and this will bring up the export settings. And under format, you have a couple different settings, but the most popular is H.264 for YouTube. And then under preset, we have a couple different options: high bitrate, medium bitrate, and then low bitrate. Notice as I click medium bitrate, the estimated file size decreases, but when I click high bitrate, the file size increases, because basically you'll just be exporting this at a higher bitrate. As we scroll down on video, you can see we have a 10 megabytes and 12 instead of medium bitrate. We have around 3 and 6. And basically what this means is that your video will come out in a higher quality for online or social media or on the internet if you have a higher bitrate. Save it under the output name, and then once you're happy or satisfied, click export for YouTube completely for free.